Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's play with the Codingame's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve the puzzle titled Don't Panic by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. If this is your first time here you wanna learn front-end and JavaScript, start now by subscribing and don't forget to turn on the subtitles. The story tells, Marvin is stuck inside the core of the Infinite Improbability Drive. Grab a towel and help him or them escape by blocking the right clones. To allow others to reach the exit by going through the right happy vertical people transporter. This puzzle explains you the conditions and how to position an object on a one-dimensional grid. To win this game, I need to guide the clones toward the exit of the maze, stop when it's going away from the exit, continue if it's going the right way. That's easy. Let's dive into the code. Start the game to see how it works. I've lost. Okay, I see. Read the initial values, such as a number of the floors, the floor where an exit is found, etc. For each level, read the elevators and exits position. Now, read the position and direction of the leading clone. Detect a wrong direction. Stop the leading clone whether it goes in a wrong direction. Let's try. Yes, I win. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at dwarfs and graphs in JavaScript. My code is available on GitHub, documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.